No need to waste time today, we're jumping right in. So as I mentioned last time, we need to start by sanding this down, filling in all those pinholes and everything that we missed before. Once again, I'll zoom in and show you all those little divots and everything. So we're gonna go ahead and sand that down and then go ahead and fill it in with, we have some spot and glazing putty that we're gonna use. It'll fill in all those small things that would be just a bit too cumbersome for the Bondo. And that's where we're rolling today. Start there, let's get this flare done and on the car.
You're chilling in the rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite.
So here's the flare pretty much on. I mean, this is essentially kind of what we were going for, or I mean, it is what we were going for. We have it right down there, all the way bolted up. I'm gonna fill in the gaps here with a little, that rubber sealer. I had a tough time with that, just not being able to make it perfect, but I still think it looks really good. All primed all the way down there. There's a little fiberglass work I had to do because one of the holes kind of broke, but I got it fixed, no issues there. And all the way back, and most importantly, that new area that we did, looking so good, perfectly meshed in. Looks like it was actually meant for the kit, and I'm so happy with it. It's really good. Got a little screw on the bottom just to hold it in, but I am very, very happy with how this turned out. Getting one flare done, it's great. We'll be able to move on to the next one soon. I'll get you that time lapse for the other side, and then soon it'll be onto the front of the car, which is going to take a bit of work. But I don't think it'll take as much as the back because we'll have to do less custom work. So anyway, the plan for the front one is we'll get the flare on, maybe cut a little vent on the side, which should actually make things easier. And then we'll be on to the hardest part of the car, which will be the front bumper. Actually, we're gonna hook up the side splitters too, but the front bumper is gonna be really hard, but well worth it. So anyway, that's really about it. Thank you guys for watching so much. For you guys, I don't know what I'm saying. Stay tuned for, there's going to be a little mini video, maybe just like a 5-minute video of me doing a time lapse of the other flare. So go ahead and just check that out later on in the week if you see it come up. That's all that is, it's just the other flare. So I didn't want to waste footage, and I want to be able to show the whole process of the car once I'm all finished. That's kind of the idea there. As for what else to do now, check out the Patreon links below. I know I say it every time, just go ahead and give a look. I finally fixed the link too, in case you're wondering why you couldn't click on it. Sorry. I didn't know you needed to do https://www. all before you put the link. So now I know. Go ahead and check them out. They're down there. Other than that, do the usual. Dislike, unsubscribe, leave your hate in the comments. Boys, I did it again. I apologize. I'm gonna leave. Bye.